Hi there, it's Anna WTI.
Usually, when you get a pet, you add a lot of chores to your list. But I didn't have to add feed my dog because of this amazing Skymee pet feeder. But it's so much more than just a pet feeder. Check this out. That's right. I have automatic feedings where he can get his food and hear me talk to him. Super nice. The app is incredible and you can control so many things. It also has a very nice lid that is clipped into place, so I no longer have to worry about my daughter getting into the dog food. It holds a lot, so this lasts us several weeks with Lou, so we don't have to worry about his food for several weeks. The camera on this thing is incredible. It is so clear and it's so convenient when you are away from home to be able to see your dog. When I first got it, I was like, oh, this is a lot of pieces, but it is very easy to put together. To set up the Wi Fi, the only thing I would say I had a hard time figuring out is at one point it says scan the QR code, and the QR code is on the phone. And I was like, where am I supposed to scan this? So you scan the QR code on your phone to the camera on the pet feeder. So if you want to take away the chore of feeding your pet, and being able to see them and talk to them wherever you are, you need this thing. I truly feel sorry for anyone who has a pet and does not have this machine.
And that's my point of view.